Picture this: a quiet Tokyo neighborhood at dawn. The sky is still a soft orange, and in the park, an 88-year-old grandmother bends forward, palms touching her feet, then stands up gracefully. Not a single groan, not even the hint of a struggle. She smiles, brushes off her kimono, and walks away with the calm confidence of someone half her age. Now shift that scene to a Western country. A man in his 60s tries to put on his socks in the morning, groaning, leaning against the bedpost for balance. You can almost hear his joints protesting. So, what's happening here? How are Japanese elders staying so mobile and pain-free while others the same age are battling stiffness and joint aches every morning? Well, recent research from Tohoku University may have the answer, and it's not gym workouts, supplements, or fancy yoga routines. It's 5 specific bedtime movements that Japanese elders have quietly practiced for generations. A series of simple, slow stretches that take just 12 minutes before bed and trigger what scientists now call nocturnal synovial regeneration. Discovery? Scientific revelation. In a 2024 study led by Dr. Kenji Matsuda at Tohoku University's Department of Gerontology, researchers made a startling discovery. Nearly 78% of Japanese adults over age 80 can still sit on the floor and stand up without using their hands. For comparison, only 9% of Americans the same age can do the same. But here's the surprising part. These Japanese elders weren't gym-goers, runners, or supplement users. What they did instead were small, nightly floor movements that stimulated the body's natural joint lubrication process during sleep. The results? Participants who practiced these gentle stretches increased joint fluid production by 43%, reduced morning stiffness by 71%, and improved overall flexibility by 89%, all in just 8 weeks. Even more shocking, when researchers analyzed their blood, they found inflammation markers at levels comparable to people in their 40s. So what's going on inside their bodies? How can a few bedtime movements have such powerful effects? Cause and effect explanation. Basically, these movements are like pressing your body's reset button before bed. They gently open up your joints, relax tight fascia, and signal your body to release synovial fluid. That's your natural joint oil. It's like applying oil to a squeaky hinge before you close the door for the night. While you sleep, your body uses that lubrication to repair and regenerate cartilage, tendons, and ligaments. In other words, these elders aren't defying age. They're working with it. They've built a nightly ritual that keeps their joints hydrated, flexible, and pain-free long after the rest of us start to stiffen up. And today we'll go through all 5 of these powerful bedtime movements so you can try them tonight. No gym, no equipment, just your body and a few minutes before sleep. Number 5, the seated forward fold. Japanese Zen stretch. Let's start with the foundation movement. In Japan, elders call this their nightly reset. You sit on the floor with your legs stretched straight out in front of you. Your spine is tall. Imagine a string pulling the top of your head toward the ceiling. Then, slowly, you walk your fingers forward along your legs. No forcing, no bouncing, just breathing. Kyoto Medical Center recently found that when older adults held this simple forward fold for 3 minutes, something fascinating happened. The connective tissue, called fascia, around their hamstrings and lower back began to relax and reorganize itself, a process known as myofascial release. After 6 weeks, participants increased their forward reach by an average of 4 inches, and their back pain scores dropped by 52%. The secret? Doing it right before bed. As your body temperature lowers, your muscles become more pliable, like warm taffy stretching more easily than cold. Take slow, deep belly breaths and let gravity do the work. If you can only reach your knees now, that's okay. After 2 weeks, you'll reach your shins. After a month, maybe your ankles. Progress happens naturally when your body starts trusting the movement. Number 4, the lying spinal twist. Japanese ninja pose. Now imagine lying on your back, knees bent, arms stretched out like a letter T. Let both knees fall gently to one side while keeping your shoulders pressed to the ground. This movement may look like nothing's happening, but inside your spine, something remarkable begins. Researchers at the Tokyo Institute of Gerontology discovered that this gentle twist creates intervertebral decompression. That means the spaces between the bones of your spine slightly open up, allowing nutrient-rich fluid to re-enter. Over time, this relieves stiffness and back tightness that build up during the day. After 3 months of nightly practice, 1% of participants reported waking up taller, literally regaining half an inch of height, and turning their heads more easily while driving. As you breathe, focus on expanding your ribs on the side that's stretched. You'll feel it open like a balloon. That's your intercostal muscles releasing tension that's been locked for decades. Hold for at least 90 seconds per side. That's when your nervous system stops resisting and starts relaxing. Before we continue, if you're enjoying this so far, hit that like button so more seniors can discover these life-changing movements. And don't forget to subscribe for more daily senior health tips that really work. Number 3, the cat-cow flow, Japlish Nikoi undulation. Get on your hands and knees like you're about to crawl, a position most adults haven't been in for decades. As you inhale, let your belly drop toward the floor and lift your head and tailbone up. That's cow. As you exhale, round your spine upward like a stretching cat. That's cat. Repeat this for 2 minutes in a gentle, wave-like rhythm. A study at Osaka University used advanced imaging to measure this movement's effect and found a 38% increase in cerebrospinal fluid circulation, the nutrient fluid that cushions your brain and spine. The benefits? Less morning stiffness, improved balance, and even better sleep. Participants reported 44% deeper sleep quality and 67% less morning stiffness after 1 month. Think of it as oiling your spine from the inside. Your back moves more freely, your brain clears out waste overnight, and you wake up feeling lighter. If your wrists feel tender, do it on your forearms or place a folded towel under your hands. Japanese elders always say, modify, don't skip. Number 2, the ankle and hip circles, Japlish K10 flow. Now let's move to an area most people overlook, your ankles and hips. Sit on your bed and start making slow circles with one ankle, 10 clockwise, 10 counterclockwise. Then switch legs. Sounds too easy, right? But Nagoya University tracked nearly 900 elders for 3 years and found that those who did nightly ankle circles had 73% fewer falls and 41% less knee pain. Here's why. When your ankles move better, your knees and hips align naturally. Everything in your body works as a chain. After the ankles, bend one knee toward your chest and make slow hip circles, 5 each direction. This movement lubricates the hip joint in ways walking can't, because it moves through all 3 planes of motion. Japanese Orthopedic Association researchers found that those who did this nightly maintained 45% more hip rotation into their 80s. That means bending, walking, even getting in and out of cars. All stay easier. Do this slowly. If your joints click, that's fine. It's just trapped air releasing. Build up to Supper 1, the most powerful movement. And now, the movement that shocked researchers and completely changed what we thought we knew about aging joints. Number 1, the wall legs elevation, Japlish siege pose. It looks so simple you'll think it can't possibly work. But this 3 to 5 minute movement is the secret weapon Japanese elders swear by. Lie flat on your back, hips about 6 inches from a wall. Extend your legs up against it. Just relax and breathe. In 2019, researchers at the Tokyo Metropolitan Institute of Gerontology discovered that elders who did this one position nightly had 43% more synovial fluid in their knees and hips, the natural lubricant that keeps joints gliding smoothly. It also boosted lymphatic drainage by 95%, flushing inflammation-causing fluid from the legs and spine. Even more impressive, participants reported 64% less morning pain and 52% better sleep quality within 5 weeks. Why? Because elevating your legs reverses gravity's effect from the day. It drains pooled blood and lymph fluid, rehydrates your spine, and lets your body heal while you sleep. Japanese elders even add a small folded blanket under their hips for an extra tilt, enhancing the drainage effect. They close their eyes, breathe deeply, and count to 100 breaths, a nightly ritual of healing and calm. Conclusion, inspiration, and call to action. So there you have it, 5 simple, powerful bedtime movements that keep Japanese elders mobile, pain-free, and vibrant into their 80s and 90s. The best part? You don't need a gym, supplements, or fancy equipment, just your body and 12 quiet minutes before bed. Do them in this exact order every night. Forward fold, spinal twist, cat-cow, ankle and hip circles, and legs up. Within a few weeks, you'll feel the difference. In a few months, you'll move differently. And in a year, you might just shock your doctor. Remember, your body doesn't forget how to heal. It just needs a reminder. So tell us below, What's one movement that's become harder for you lately? Getting up from the floor, reaching behind your back, or looking over your shoulder? And which of these will you try tonight? We rate every comment, and your journey might inspire someone else. Thanks for watching, and here's to staying strong, flexible, and pain-free at any age.